We are told at the start that there is no life in this world. This world had no inhabitants. One day, an alien ship arrives on Earth. The alien drinks a liquid, causing its whole body to melt and mix with the liquid. After 1,000 years, scientists were studying mountains. They noticed something scribbled on a cave. A man was pointing at a star and planet in it. After that, the scientists found similar drawings all over the world. They were amazed because these parts of the world had no connection at that time. How could the same paintings exist in all these areas despite the great distance? This means that no single person or group of people could have created the same paintings all over the world. The scientists conclude after their research that these enormous humans might be the creators of the drawings. They believe these drawings serve as a sort of invitation to humans, leading them to understand the origins of their life. It was observed in all the paintings that the figures were pointing at the same planet. The scientists decide to travel to that planet. The team of scientists is shown in a spaceship in a sleeping chamber. Only one member is not in the sleeping pod. He is in charge of the trip and the ship. That member is not human but rather an android robot. After 3 years of travel, they reach their destination. The robot awakens them from the sleeping chambers. The scientists find themselves above the planet, but do not see any signs of life. When they spot a pyramid, they realize there might be life there. The scientists decide to explore the planet's surface. The environment of the planet is similar to Earth, but it has a lot of carbon dioxide, which is poisonous to them. They go outside while wearing oxygen helmets. Some people stay on the ship, while others go inside the pyramid to investigate. David, the robot, enters first. Inside, he sees some greasy liquid and buttons. When he pushes a button, a projector starts, showing a CCTV recording of beings running out of the place. Someone slips and falls, and the door closes, trapping the head of the fallen being on the other side. As the projector shuts off, they go to the place where the being fell and find a dead body. A doctor scans the body and discovers it is thousands of years old. David, the robot, understands the language written on the walls and knows many codes with the help of the greasy liquid. Using these codes, David opens the door of the pyramid. They find the head of the dead body on the other side and observe massive statues that could be of aliens. There are pots all over the place, containing the same black liquid that the alien had drunk earlier. As they move deeper inside, the environment changes, and the paintings on the walls shift. The black liquid begins to spill from the pots. Meanwhile, the scientists receive a call warning them of an impending severe storm. They are told the door of the spaceship will be shut within 15 minutes, and to return immediately. Among those pots, Dr. Charlie takes one, while Dr. Shaw carries the alien's head in her bag. When Dr. Charlie opens the pot, it contains 3 tubes with DNA samples in them. David, who dislikes Charlie, secretly mixes the DNA into Charlie's drink. Dr. Shaw begins research on the alien's head. While doing this, the head starts to activate rapidly, and she is unable to control it. It bursts, shocking the other scientists, who then check the head's DNA. They are stunned to find that the head's DNA matches human DNA. Dr. Shaw confirms that these beings created humans. The scientists who were trapped inside the pyramid continue their research and find many dead bodies. They grow concerned as they wonder who killed those aliens. They are terrified, thinking that the killers could also be capable of killing them. Suddenly, a snake-like creature made of the black liquid from the pots appears. Mistaking it for an ordinary snake, they touch it. However, it is an advanced creature that immediately enters one scientist's suit and injects poison into his mouth, killing him. The scientist who tries to save him is also attacked by the snake. There are many reactions on his body, and he immediately dies. Dr. Shaw and Charlie spend time together on the spaceship. The next day, when Charlie awakens, his condition is worse. This is because of the DNA that David mixed into his drink. They return to the pyramid together for research. David, the robot, moves forward while Charlie's condition worsens, and they decide to take him back to the ship. David, however, stays behind. After further research, he discovers that the pyramid is a control room. The black liquid pots are actually weapons. Various aliens emerge from the liquid and kill them. When David presses some buttons, a projector shows the entire universe. It reveals that the aliens' destination is Earth. He discovers that they were heading toward Earth, and the black liquid in the pots is a special kind of weapon. When thrown, various aliens come to life, programmed from birth to prey on humans. David then finds aliens in the sleeping pods of the spaceship and realizes that one of them is still alive. After learning this, he returns to the ship. On the other side, they attempt to bring Charlie back inside. But the ship's captain doesn't allow it due to the risk of infection, which could endanger everyone on board. Because of this, she burns him with a flamethrower. Dr. Shaw faints at the sight and later discovers she is pregnant. When she examines herself, she finds an alien growing inside her. David ignores her pleas for help, so she goes to an automatic surgery machine. She removes the alien from her body through surgery but doesn't kill it, instead placing it in a chamber. Afterward, a 100-year-old man is shown on the ship. He is the investor behind this project because he wants to live longer. According to scientific research, if they discover the beings who created humans, those beings might be able to extend human life and even make people young again. That's why the man insists on meeting the alien. Despite being warned against it, he orders to be taken to the pyramid. The alien they previously saw is awakened from its sleeping pod. David tries to communicate with it, and the old man asks him to request more life. In anger, the alien removes David's head and attacks the old man. The alien starts its ship towards Earth. Shaw rushes out of the pyramid and, upon reaching the spaceship, tells the crew that they must stop the alien ship at any cost. However, they have no weapons left to destroy it. They decide to collide their ship with the aliens to stop it, crashing their ship into the aliens, resulting in a massive explosion. All of Shaw's companions die, but the alien survives and pursues Shaw. She hurriedly reaches the broken part of her ship, where she kept the alien that had emerged from her body. She takes this alien to another, more dangerous alien held in a chamber. She opens the chamber, and the alien inside kills the one she brought. Shaw is now alone but hears David's voice. He says, "If you help me, I will definitely help you get home." Shaw agrees and says, "Okay, I will help you, but I don't want to go back to Earth. I want to go to the planet where the aliens live." David agrees, and they set off for that place in the alien's spaceship. A terrifying alien is born, and it is clear that a perilous life is about to begin on this planet. So that's it. Hope you enjoy the story. Follow for more videos.